Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the damper control knob in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new damper control knob. This damper control knob is mounted inside the freezer on a damper assembly. It's used for turning the damper inside the evaporator fan cover, increasing or decreasing the cold air flow to the fresh food compartment. The main reason why the damper control knob should be replaced is if it breaks and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the old knob, we're gonna pull it off with both hands. In case if it won't obey that easy, then you can use either a putty knife or the flathead screwdriver and pry it off. This is the old damper control knob next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Well, it's very easy to install the new knob. We need to match the shape of the shaft. As you can see, it's a D shape, and the opening here in the knob. And then we can slide it on. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.